Good day to everyone in this online defense, especially to my beloved panels, coordinator, and to my thesis advisor, Architect Asuncion Bilono. Let me once again introduce to you the Karera Akademia, a proposed innovative automobile circuit racing school. Chapter 5, Architectural Design Translation. 5.1, Project Proposal Title and Problem. The project proposal title is Karera Akademia Proposed Innovative Automobile Circuit Racing School. The proposal is envisioned to provide an architectural design solution for the safety training needs for the automobile circuit racing enthusiasts to be established at the scientifically determined site at Mabalacat, Pampanga. 5.2, Design Philosophy. The proponent was inspired by Norman Foster's philosophy. As an architect, you design for the present with an awareness of the past for a future which is essentially unknown. 5.3, Design Theories and Design Paradigm conceptualized for the facility are natural lighting and cross-ventilation, precast twin wall system, and luxury architecture. 5.4, Design Objectives revolves on how the facility could provide architectural solutions regarding the risk of crashing during race trainings, a one-stop concept school, and to maximize the potential of the facility to further market the racing industry in the Philippines. 5.5, Design Considerations. Through an intensive research, the researcher has come up with the most essential considerations in designing this facility, which are orientation, accessibility, pedestrian and vehicular circulation, building zoning, spatial zoning, target market, low ground clearance cars, privacy and security, building laws and standards, and economical design. 5.6, Design Concept. 5.6.1, Site Concept is a car chassis, which represents as the backbone of the various parts of the car, which is the same function as to how a site serves the buildings. 5.6.2, Building Form Concepts. Rims and tires inspire the design of the simulation building, for it functions as the central piece of a car assembly, which is similar as to how the simulation building functions for the facility, a central amenity. Moving forward, the administrative building is conceptualized from brake discs, for it functions as the speed control that can be compared on how admin buildings serve as an operations control facility. Moreover, brake hose inspire the utility building, for it functions as a support for a smooth braking, just like how utility buildings serve as a facility to enable a smooth operations flow. Lastly, the accommodations building is developed from springs and shock absorbers because it provides comfort to the passengers, just like how the accommodations building provides ease and convenience for the facility users. 5.6.5, Structural Concepts. Planted column, space framing, curve and ribbed roofing system, pre-stressed beams, ACP, and EIFS. 5.6.4, Mechanical Concepts. Centralized air conditioning, VRF, HVAC, MRL, and car service lift. 5.6.5, Lighting Concepts. General lighting and LED lights. 5.6.6, Security Concepts. CCTV cameras, face recognition lock system, and automated boom barrier. 5.6.7, Plumbing Concepts. Waterless urinals, outfit water supply, and dual flush toilet with sink. 5.6.8, Fire Suppression System Concepts. Fire alarm bell, conventional smoke detectors, water-type fire extinguishers, gas farm, and wet pipe sprinklers. 5.6.9, Landscape Concepts. Turf pavers, road studs, paver lights, and raised pedestrian crossing. 5.6.10, Material Concept. Photovoltaic two-way glass and wood. 5.6.11, Electrical Concepts. Genset rooms and powerhouse. 5.6.12, Electronics Concepts. Telco cabinets, routers, motion sensor doors, and biometrics. 5.6.13, Sanitary Drainage Concept is storm drainage. 5.6.14 Waste Management System Concept is a materials recovery facility. 5.7 Project Technical Requirements. Table 5.13 Inventory of featured simulators consists of the TAG System TS8000, CXC Motion Pro 2 Standard and Pro simulators, OH6 the Racing Simulator, and Motorsport Simulator. Under Table 5.14, Equipment Inventory for Spectators Area are video display, Lawson chairs, motorsport scoreboard, all-sport timing system, and marquee displays. Lastly, Table 5.15, Equipment Inventory for Interactive Event Hall is composed of 4D Max and curved giant screen displays. 5.8, Presentation of Architectural Drawings. The site development plan follows a fluid and continuous planning flow. Hence, the flow of pedestrian and vehicles are meant to mobilize continuously and stop only at the designated detour areas. The top view of the SDP. The utilities of the facility are MRF, underground water tank and septic tanks, and emergency vehicle access. The simulation building plan consists of 3 zones: private, public, and privileged zones. It follows a multi-directional and coordinated planning principle. Hence, the diverse phases of the facility functions as a whole. Simulation building day scene, simulation building rain scene. The succeeding slides shall feature the various amenities and facilities of the Simulación de Carreras or simulation building. OH6 Dove Sim Room, Motorsport Sim Room, CXC Pro Motion 2 Pro Sim Room, Pro Coaching Room, Lecture Room, Tag System TS8000 Sim Room, Bread Shop, Coffee Shop, Registration Area, Lobby and Hallway, Interactive Event Hall, Public Simulation Area, and the Spectators Area. Moving to the Karera Alojamiento or Accommodation Building, the plan evokes the planning principle of limiting factor. Thus, majority of the spaces are for private use. It consists of 3 zones: the back of the house, public reception, and rented zones. Accommodation Building Day Scene. Accommodation Building Rain Scene. The following slides will showcase the interior spaces of the accommodations building: hallways, bridge, bar, reading and billiards area, banquet hall, single bed ordinary room, twin bed ordinary room, single bed suite room, and the twin bed suite room. For the edificio utilidad or utility building, it was administered with the planning principle of functionality. Hence, it is focused on providing wide spaces to serve as clearance spaces for the services and equipment mobilization stored and provided within the structure. Utility Building Day Scene, Utility Building Rain Scene. The interior spaces are composed of the storage and reserves room, hallway, and the repair station. Finally, the administrative building consists of 3 zones: the executive zone, staff zone, and the public zone. It follows a flexible and time-bounded principle of planning. Hence, the plan can be manipulated according to the space demand and according to a generational design trend. Administrative Building Day Scene, Administrative Building Rain Scene. The succeeding slides shall present the interior perspective of the administrative spaces: conference room, and departmental offices and manager's desk. Moving forward, The following slides will show the set of architectural boards for Karera Akademia. Conclusions. The proponent concludes that the Karera Akademia is a complex cultivating a dynamic relationship of learning, social, and economic webs of life. Also, the site and site locations were determined scientifically, and that it is a facility designed to reduce the risk of crash accidents during race trainings. Lastly, a racing landmark was established through an iconic statue of the Simulación de Carreras. 5.10 Recommendations. The researcher suggests that the study shall have a data gathering update, preservation of the design, provision of auxiliary buildings according to the future demand, and design adaptation with respect to the original idea. And now, allow me to present to you the architectural walkthrough of my proposal.
Then has superformed aluminum panels, carbon inner panels bonded together, and it also has an integral
And that concludes my presentation of the Karera Akademia, a proposed innovative automobile circuit racing school. Thank you.